Hello, welcome back to my channel and I'm your Nimsha Davies and this will be a complete OpenCV series in which you will get A to Z, basic to advanced level OpenCV concepts. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. So, before getting into OpenCV, before getting into OpenCV concepts, you must have a basic understanding of Python. And if you know ML, machine learning as well, it will be a great hour. Okay, but Python understanding is must. You must have a basic understanding of Python, how it is working, what is Python, Python libraries, and all. I hope you got the concept. Okay. So, if you are a Malayali viewer of mine, you can just check the Python on my playlist. I already upload the Malayalam series of Python, NLP, Power BI, Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, machine learning, SQL. Okay, you can check that out. Every playlist that you want to learn. But Python is a mandatory thing in order to understand the OpenCV concept. Okay. And also here I'm already published NLP Complete Zero to Hero tutorial in English as well. If you don't know Malayalam, you can check the NLP series. Okay. But for Python, I think if you are from outside Kerala, you have to watch any other video from the YouTube, which in order to understand the Python. Okay. Let me see if I can recommend any other channel which cover detailed for a beginner or experienced level. Okay, let me check and revert you soon. But if you already know Python, you can just come to my series. Okay, so let's start with the basic first. Before getting into OpenCV, just what is computer vision? What is computer vision? Computer vision is nothing but it's a field of artificial intelligence, field of AI. Similar to NLP is also field of AI, right? So what are we doing in NLP? In NLP, we helps the computers to understand or to process or to respond to the human language, like how we are speaking or how we are writing, reading, right? Similarly, that was an language concept. NLP is a language concept, reading, writing, understanding the text or paragraph or sentence. But coming to the computer vision part, on the other hand, computer vision, one second. Okay. On the other hand, the computer vision, here we trains the computer to interpret and to understand the visual world, not the point, visual world. In NLP, it's completely based on the language, reading, writing, speaking. But in the computer vision, it is purely based on our visual world, just like humans do. Okay, by using digital images, videos, and deep learning models, the machine can see, analyze, and react to what they are observing, what they are seeing. Okay, so just note this word, visual world. Okay, so just think like we are giving an eyes or a brain to the computer. They are seeing things, they are seeing, they are observing, they are understanding, they are learning. Okay, so in this video we will cover just basics, and also we will cover the installation part. You must need an IDE. Maybe you can use Sublime Text, it's an editor, or you can use VS Code or PyCharm. Okay, if you if you already done NLP and machine learning, you already have Anaconda and you have Jupyter Notebook. You can try in Jupyter Notebook as well, but I prefer any ID like VS Code, PyCharm, or Sublime Text editor. Yeah. Okay. So first thing, just open the command prompt. 1 second, let me put on silent. Okay, just open the command prompt. First of all, you have to install Python as well. Just download it from the Google and install it. Okay, and don't forget to add to a path environment variable. Just add the environment variable. Otherwise, you can't able to run the programs. Okay. So after installing Python, just check the version. Python hyphen version 3.12. So yeah, just try to use above 3. Don't use Python 2 version. Okay, just use Python 3 or above. Fine. Then you have to install OpenCV as well. So for that, pip install OpenCV contrib, then Python. So it will install most of the OpenCV functions or libraries that we need to work on this project. Okay. If you don't want to install everything, just write pip install OpenCV. Otherwise, just follow this command. Okay. So it will take some time. Just wait. After installing, yeah, ignoring invalid situation. Okay, no issues with that. Requirement already satisfied. Fine. So just wait till it's get installed. Yeah, it's no issues with the warning. Okay, if you got error in red color, you have to check your version as well. Or if you are getting warning, just ignore that. Okay. So that's all for this video. This is a just introduction to our course, and from the next video onwards, we will get into the practical session. And similar to NLP videos, there won't be any note. Okay, you have to prepare your own notes. Got it? Yes. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. And if you're watching this video, please like and comment this video and share to your friends. Okay. Bye.